Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from ArrestFlix, and the title of the video is entitled "Couple Acts Tough with Cop Turns Citation into Arrest." Okay, let's see what they talking about.
On February 2nd, 2023, at 4 p.m., Florida officers responded to a report of a disturbance in a clinic parking lot. The caller reported seeing a shirtless man and an intoxicated woman inside a black pickup truck, stating they had been there for about 2 hours. Upon arrival, the officer spoke to the woman who appeared intoxicated.
They're about to come here.
Okay, who are you here with?
My cousin.
Okay. What happened?
Outside in front of the liquor store, just let me know if you guys come over there.
Okay.
What's the problem?
Well, we got a call that you got in a physical altercation with somebody.
No.
No?
I did not. No, I've been sitting in my car.
Well, it was between you and maybe your cousin a couple of minutes ago. No, nothing physical happened?
No. My cousin walked in the store. I know.
Okay.
Not at all.
Okay, why is the alarm going off on the car? Whose car is this?
It's my car.
Okay, who's driving?
I'm driving.
Okay. Bottle of liquor on the
Honestly, I'm just trying to just hang out.
Okay. If you sit in that vehicle, you can get a DUI.
I'm not sitting in there at all.
Okay. So I would advise you to stay outside of the vehicle.
I am.
Okay. If you leave here, you're driving. You understand what could happen.
But I'm not.
Okay. I'm informing you. Okay. Because when I looked in, I see a bottle of liquor.
I don't have no bottle.
There's a bottle of Hennessy right on the center console.
Really?
Yeah. You don't know it was your car. You're sitting in it, right?
The person that was in the car with me, stepped out. I was arguing with him.
Okay.
I don't even want to tell you about it because it's just
What? You have an ID on you?
Yeah, I do.
Give me your ID.
Here come the waterworks.
What are you doing in this parking lot?
I'm heartbroken.
Okay, what have you been here for 3 hours for?
3 hours? No, I have not been here for 3 hours.
Well, what brought you to this parking lot?
The store.
Yeah?
But I've not been here for 3 hours.
Okay.
Are you guys homeless, or are you guys homeless?
I'm not. Maybe he is, but I met him. That's the crazy. I met him 2 months ago.
Yeah.
And I really don't know about him.
You said it was your cousin.
No, I didn't.
100% you said it was your cousin.
Well, I apologize for saying that, but that's a person that I was with,
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. I'm just asking. I'm asking, I guess what I'm leading to is, why are you guys sitting out here for hours?
Oh, I wasn't trying to sit out here for a few hours. He was trying to go to the other store.
Okay.
But I will give you all my information. I have no problem.
Yeah, for sure. So, all right. Do you have any family in the area?
Not in there.
Okay. Well, you need to get someone to come pick you up.
Why?
Because you're intoxicated.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can't drive.
That's fine.
All right. And we're going to wait here until you get someone to pick you up.
Yes.
Or I'm going to bring you to the hospital because I'm not going to let you drive.
Don't
Did
take
you
me.
already copied the tag, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my people's.
Who's your peoples? The car?
Carlos.
The car?
Yeah.
Where does your peoples stay at?
And
Okay.
That's not that far.
So,
listen, I'm not trying to give y'all no hard time at all.
I know I got you. Do you have your ID on you? There is a male here with you, correct? What is his name?
I don't know his name.
You don't know his name. Okay. Do you have a cell phone on you?
Right there, yeah.
Yep.
I would advise you to start contacting some people to come and pick you up.
I'm not trying to give you a hard time.
You're not yet, right? I'm explaining this to you.
I'm not
At
trying
this
to give
point of
y'all
time,
a hard time.
you're not giving us a hard time. Call somebody to come pick you up,
Okay.
and I'm going to wait here until I see you get in, or call an Uber or something, because I'm not going to let you get behind the wheel of that vehicle.
I appreciate that.
Okay? So figure it out. Otherwise, we're going to go down a different Avenue.
No.
All right.
No.
We don't want
We don't want that. Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe pop the tailgate.
Yeah, you can have
sit on the back of the
No,
truck.
I'll sit right here.
Okay. Just don't go sit in the vehicle.
No.
All right. Are you here with somebody?
I thought I was, but they ran away.
How's it going, man?
What's up?
Where's your shirt at?
You got one on.
All right.
We see that.
What's going on today?
Yes.
What's going on today?
Tell me what's going on today.
Someone called about something that was going on out here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What was going on?
Yeah.
What was going on?
Like an argument or something?
I wasn't arguing. I know no argument going on out here.
Okay.
I mean, somebody just eyed in trying to be nosy
All right.
on something. So tell me what's going on.
Well, now we're trying to figure out a way for you guys to get out of here.
How we gonna get out of here? We can't find our keys.
Like, we really were arguing earlier.
That's
but
fine. Everyone's entitled to arguments. You know, we just want to make sure it doesn't escalate to something.
All right, you go find it. You go pay for how about it right here? Yeah, get a look at. How about you go pay for us a key so we can?
Why would I
out
pay
of
for
here?
your keys?
Okay, then
Because
so
you can't. You are not able to maintain where your keys are at. That's not my problem.
okay, then so it's not your problem.
So my problem is there's two.
See, this is where it's gonna go left. This is where it's gonna go left. You could already tell the male cop, he do want to take somebody. I ain't gonna lie, he been fishing for stuff for a minute, you know, with the girl and everything. So it's like, okay, but then you got this jerk off over here that comes and pulls up, and he ain't talking right. He ain't talking right. You know what I'm saying? He got an attitude, you know? He got slick comments, got an attitude, think you class clown. Okay, this is where it's gonna take a turn. I could already feel it. I could feel it in my bones. This is about to turn bad because of him. This is why this is gonna turn south.
Intoxicated people sitting in a parking lot.
Who
okay?
intoxicated?
Who intoxicated? You got bottles of liquor in there.
Don't mean I'm intoxicated.
No?
Yes, you wanna where you blow at and let's check it.
Okay.
Ain't nobody
So I'm explaining to you what. Right?
Yes, I'm gonna explain myself
You
too.
got
Since
somebody
you wanna be
coming
like that, I'm
in.
gonna be aggressive too.
I'm not being aggressive, bro. I'm just trying to talk to you. Trying to be smart.
Honestly, I'm just
Being
trying
how
to get out the way.
24/7. That's how I'm be.
So we don't have keys to the vehicle.
No,
What happened to them?
I don't know.
You guys.
I don't drive. I don't drive. I ain't
Yeah,
got
okay.
no license.
Okay. You have any idea or anything?
No, I ain't got no ID.
right.
I'm trying to get my ID from this. Supposed to come here and bring me my ID.
You left just something?
Yes. No, my ID was given to her. Now I can't get my she had my clothes. And I couldn't get my clothes back for 3 days, so what make you think I'm gonna get my ID back now? So this dumb man gave her my damn ID. Making it harder for them, really. How you finna fix this?
That's what I'm trying to figure out, bro.
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
And I appreciate that.
If we ain't got no keys, and we can't go nowhere,
We really can't.
and we can't fix this situation, so y'all need to fix for us. If y'all can't fix it,
We're
that means
waiting for
y'all
her
need
to
to
come
go.
here.
Right? Simple right.
Not simple as that.
I don't know.
It's my uncle's car.
Where do you stay at?
I don't stay right here. I stay where I stay at. There you go.
Is that in Fort Myers?
No.
Edwin Wells?
Yes.
What was your middle name?
Edwin.
Edwin's your middle name?
Edwin D. Wells.
Wells, alright. What's your date of birth, Edwin?
Oh, y'all are just chilling here?
Yeah, we've been chilling here for the longest.
Yeah. What, did the car break down or?
No.
No?
No. That's why I say go buy us a key. Go help us
Buy
get a
you
key.
a key?
Yeah.
I don't have the money like that.
Yeah, you ain't got the money like that? Yeah, you do. You got a 9-to-5, don't you? I can't even work.
Why can't you work?
Because I ain't cleared to work yet.
Why not?
Because I was in ICU.
What
He
happened?
wasn't ICU. He got.
I was in ICU. I was in ICU. I got.
Where'd you get?
Who's you talking about? Shut up.
I'm telling him.
I ain't get stabbed.
I'm not worried about all that.
I got hit in the head
It happened somewhere else?
Yeah, it happened somewhere else.
No, be honest with them. They gonna be real. They gonna be real with us, so that, right?
What'd you do?
Right? No, he was honestly, he was like trying to be a real person.
Okay. Is this a girl you was messing with again?
No.
Okay.
Not at all.
But like I him, like on some real shit. Like he's been through some shit, I know this. But like he's been.
But I got because I was trying to not be where I was supposed to be at. I didn't need to be there. And I went to someone else's house, a friend's house. And then she was talking to her dude for I don't know how long, 2 weeks, but he's supposed to pulled up there. And he knew I was there. And then I asked the girl, how did you know I was there? Goddamn it, he had to ask, he had to know I was there because he pulled up there with 2 people.
Yeah.
So goddamn it, you know someone's here.
Where'd that happen at?
Great.
We're not supposed to be here in general loitering, okay? You see the no trespassing signs?
So we're trying to get up out of here.
I understand that. Now I'm trying to help y'all. I'm trying to help you. We're both trying to help y'all do that.
She just told you
guys are kind of, I mean, you guys are here. There's an open container. We're drinking. We're carrying on in the parking lot. Look.
Let's get besides that, man.
You know? So you guys are walking around doing all kinds of nonsense. We're honestly, we're just trying to get y'all to get on out of here.
And that's what we're trying to do.
I got you. Trying to do. Well, I don't know where your phone is, man. I don't know what to tell you about the phone, all right? But where we're at is you guys got to go and the truck can't go. Because neither one of y'all can drive. Unless the register owner comes here right this second and gets it, it's probably going to get towed.
So you telling me
I am
somebody that has a key to this car that has a license can't drive this car?
Yep.
That's fine.
Can't drive this car.
That's what I'm telling you.
So even with the owner, if the owner says they can drive this car, they can't drive this car.
I need the owner to come here to pick up the car.
So all these cars around this world that has no, that's just like
I'm not playing. I'm not honestly, bro. I'm not going back.
No, I'm not.
I'm telling you what it is.
Ain't nobody going back. I'm trying to tell you what it is. I'm trying to state what I'm talking about. But I see that y'all officers ain't got no. Y'all still narrow-minded too.
Okay, you got anything else for them?
No.
I'm trying
You're
to
good to go, man. You're good to go.
I'm trying to get my. Y'all good to go too. I'm talking about.
Edwin, look, we've been patient with you, okay?
Yeah, you really have been.
I'm gonna issue you a trespass, all right? I'm gonna issue you a trespass for this location, meaning you can't come back. That's fine. I'm never gonna come to your head. Don't worry about it.
I wish you would. Guess what they sent out there? Those type right there females out there.
Perfect. So what's gonna happen is if you do not leave, you're gonna go to jail for trespassing. All right?
I'm trying to get. Can I get my stuff?
Bro, you've had ample time. You've had ample time. We've been hanging out here, trying to help you find your stuff.
Get my thing. Now I'm gonna get my stuff.
Grab what you need and leave.
Okay.
Smart man, he
Can I
left.
walk to him with no problem? Can I walk back to you with no problem? I don't want no problems. I just want to see what he wants. Look, his.
What's going on?
I left my bathroom.
All right, cool.
My money.
Yep.
I told you to come over here. I told you to come over here and get my food.
Give me your money back. Give me your money back.
Tase me then.
Why? For what?
For what?
For what?
For what? I told you to come over. I don't give a bitch. As long as I get their name, that on my bar, I put that on my bar. I bet I make y'all try to pay me to call it off. Pussy boy. I was getting dressed.
Trespass after warning.
I get a dresser with me. Get a dresser with me. Get a dresser with me. Get over me, man. I'm gonna spread my feet. I spread my own feet. Big ass. Look, now you wanna get, there you go. They got some muscles on you. You got a little muscle. Boom. Nah, did I tell you to come over there? And I said, go get my stuff out the store? No, you didn't. Shut up, don't talking to me. Dumb. And stop grabbing on me like that, oh. You ain't searching me, trying to act like you bad or something, like you trying to get aggressive and shit and do all this.
Nothing else on you?
What's your last name in?
My last name is.
What's your first name in? Hey, no, what is it? What's your first name? Tell me your first. So let me get in. Nigga, you trying to throw me in here?
Have a seat.
Damn, I'm so I can get in here. Trying to be like, ain't bad. That's why you an officer. Call me. with you.
He's funny. I
I go get my bathroom. I ain't leaving without it. Hey, Rosa, come here.
Put your foot
Rose,
in
I
there.
ain't you got no break it so I can know. Rosa, come here.
Put your foot in there.
Come here.
Put your foot in there. Put your foot in there.
Boy.
No.
Hey, wait. And I bet everyone does tell what else do when I'm standing on that. Pussy, now record it. Now record it. Now record me. Now take me to jail for anything. Watch what happens. Especially you. Put your hands on that. Because you think you. Put your hands on the. Put your hands on the same.
Depending on what he says, I would be threatening a law officer as
Stop
well.
talking to people. Stop talking to them. You can't talk now.
I can talk. You just ain't saying nothing smart, so.
How old your dog is?
I don't got a daughter.
Huh?
I don't have a daughter.
You got a son?
I don't got a
You got a
son.
cousin?
Don't got a cousin.
You got an auntie?
I don't got an auntie.
Oh, you ain't got none of them?
Nothing.
Oh, you ain't got nothing, just you?
Just me.
Oh, we're good over here. Oh, you might like it there too. Yeah, I'll rape you.
Shelter or anything like that.
Yeah, just you there?
I can hear you now.
I
Yeah?
said I do purpose just to...
That sounds like a personal problem.
I know it is. No, it's a personal problem. That's a personal, I just saying, that's an itching problem.
An itch?
That's a problem that I got.
An itching? You got an itch?
Literally.
The itch makes
I mean an itch, like no Percocets and they get an itch.
an itch?
You get a feeling like...
You should probably go to the doctor if your shit's itching, bro.
He was charged with trespassing and 2 counts of making threats against a law enforcement officer and their family.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.